In this video, I'm talking about using machine learning inside of hearing aids. Coming up. Hi guys, Cliff Olson, Doctor of Audiology and founder of Applied Hearing Solutions in Anthem, Arizona. And on this channel, I cover a bunch of hearing-related information to help make you a better informed consumer. So if you're into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell to receive a notification every time I post a new video. Chances are when I mention machine learning, you're either thinking, what the heck is machine learning? Or you think of different subscription services like Netflix. You see, Netflix, at least in my household, knows what I want to watch before I know I want to watch it. Basically, Netflix is using machine learning to identify what types of shows that I like based on other shows that I've watched before. But what if I told you that machine learning could not only improve your movie watching experience, but it also had the capability to improve how well you hear? Imagine this, you just got a brand new set of hearing aids and your hearing care professional programmed them correctly to your hearing loss prescription, using real ear measurement of course, and then you go with a friend to a restaurant that happens to be noisy. And you're sitting inside of that restaurant thinking, you know, I'm hearing better, but I'm not quite hearing up to the level that I would hope to be hearing inside of this particular situation. Normally, you'd have to remember how you heard in that situation and then take that information back to your hearing care professional at a follow-up visit so they could make adjustments on your hearing aids based on that feedback that you've given them, and hopefully they would be able to get it right. But what if instead you could be in that situation with your friend and be able to make adjustments on your own hearing aids to the point where you hear better in that situation at that moment? And better yet, what if you didn't even have to know what the heck that you were doing in order to achieve those optimal settings inside of your hearing aids? Well, that's the power of machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that uses data to recognize patterns to help make decisions with the help of human intervention. And while this human intervention is minimal, it's the combination of human and machine that actually maximizes this potential. And this is exactly what today's video sponsor, Widex, is doing with their SoundSense technology inside of their Evoke hearing aids. With SoundSense Learn, the Evoke app lets you choose between two different sound samples while you're actually in a real listening situation. You simply identify what type of situation you're in and what your goal is inside of that environment. The SoundSense Learn feature will then create two different sound profiles, one labeled A and one labeled B. If you've ever had your eyes checked, it's just like going to the optometrist and making a decision on which lens you feel like you're seeing better with. Each option changes how you hear in real time in that environment. Once you determine which option you like best, you then indicate how much more you like it. Each time you perform this comparison, SoundSense Learn will calculate the most likely optimal setting for that next comparison. With the help of machine learning inside of the SoundSense Learn app, you could take millions of different program settings and optimize them within 20 paired comparisons, even though it often takes fewer than this, to maximize sound quality and sound comfort of your hearing aids. This doesn't override your universal program that was set up by your hearing care professional, so you don't have to worry about messing up the program settings that they have already made for you. In a 2018 study published in the Hearing Review, researchers found that listening comfort improved when using SoundSense Learn while in 3 different noisy situations compared to a non-active environment classifier and the active environment classifier. Users also indicated better sound quality when using SoundSense Learn while listening to 3 different music genres compared to with and without the active classifier. In a more recent 2019 study published in the Hearing Review, a survey of participants who indicated that they had used SoundSense Learn were asked if they felt it had helped them improve a listening situation, and if they would recommend it to others. By week 7, 72% of participants reported an improvement after using SoundSense Learn, and 80% reported a willingness to recommend this feature to others. In order to illustrate just how unique individual user preferences are, this scatter plot shows a 3-dimensional image of over 33,000 unique programs created by nearly 13,000 users of SoundSense Learn. The reason I'm showing you this complex collection of data isn't because I want to explain it to you in detail. It's to illustrate that there is no clear trend on what individuals prefer, which shows the value of performing individual customization of your hearing aids to achieve a sound setting that you prefer. But not only do Widex hearing aids utilize SoundSense Learn technology to customize your hearing aid settings, they actually use SoundSense Adapt as well, which remembers different settings that you've made inside of your hearing aids in different environments, so your hearing aids actually get smarter the more that you wear them. Widex also has the capability of using this anonymous data, combining it with all of the different users around the world using the Evoke hearing aids, so they can improve the SoundSense Learn technology as time goes on. At the end of the day, in real life, machine learning has the capability to improve how well you hear in a very specific situation while you are actually inside of that situation, and it also has the capability to pave the way for improvements in the future. After all, as cool as it is to have Netflix know what I want to watch before I want to watch it, it would be even better if a hearing aid could identify exactly how you want to hear in a particular environment before you do. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you liked the video, please share it. And if you want to see other videos just like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.